kids! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of marine mammals, a group of incredible creatures that call the oceans home. Let's get to know them better. Dolphins. First up, we have dolphins, known for their playful and friendly nature. Dolphins are carnivores, and they primarily feast on fish and squid. Their sharp teeth help them catch and devour their slippery prey. These intelligent creatures survive by using their echolocation abilities, emitting sounds that bounce back to help them navigate and locate food. Whales. Now meet the majestic whales. These giants of the sea are filter feeders, meaning they consume tiny organisms like krill and small fish by taking in huge mouthfuls of water and then filtering out the food through their baleen plates. Whales survive through migration, often traveling thousands of miles to find the best feeding and breeding grounds. Some, like the humpback whale, are known for their mesmerizing songs. Manatees. Our next marine mammal is the gentle manatee. These herbivores graze on aquatic plants and are often called sea cows. Manatees survive by adapting to both freshwater and saltwater environments. Unfortunately, they face threats from boat collisions and habitat loss, making conservation efforts crucial to their survival. Seals. Seals are skilled swimmers, equipped with streamlined bodies and flippers. They're carnivores, dining on fish and other marine creatures. Seals are incredible divers, holding their breath for extended periods and diving to impressive depths. They navigate icy waters with ease and survive by relying on their blubber for insulation in cold environments. Sea lions. Last but not least, we have sea lions. These charismatic creatures are opportunistic feeders, enjoying a varied diet of fish, squid, and even smaller marine mammals. Sea lions are known for their agility both in the water and on land. They survive by forming colonies, providing protection from predators and helping them find mates. So, there you have it, kids. Dolphins, whales, manatees, seals, and sea lions are all unique marine mammals, each with its own special adaptations for life in the ocean. Isn't the underwater world truly amazing?